The Mi Band 3 is here. We managed to import one from China with no customs charges. In this video, we'll take a look at the unboxing and how and where you can purchase one in India. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas. Let's get started. The Mi Band 3 comes in a very simple yet elegant looking box that showcases the band core itself. Inside the box, you find the core, the silicone wristband, some documentation, and the charging cable. The Mi Band 3 builds on the success of the Mi Band 2 with a 0.78-inch OLED panel with 120 by 80 pixels of resolution. It has a 110 mAh battery which is rated to give up to 20 days of battery life and Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity. It has a heart rate sensor at the back as well. The screen itself supports gestures which swipe up or down and left or right. The circular button below the display can be used to wake up the Mi Band with a single tap and also to confirm the option with a long press. Apart from the basic step tracking, you can use it to view and receive calls, and you can control the band and preferences using the Mi Fit app. You can also update it via the app, and the band is waterproof up to 50 meters. We purchased the Mi Band 3 on 2nd June from AliExpress using the link in description below. The product costed us $39.99 and $0.37 for shipping, which brings the total to around 2,700 rupees equivalent. The shipping takes around 3 weeks to India by standard post, but you don't get charged by customs as well. Right now the price has been reduced by another $2.50, which makes it even more worth the price if you want a cheap fitness tracker. So you can purchase the device from the link in description below. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.